In this video, we will look at the bull separating line. So this is a daily time frame chart of Tesla. So the bull separating line is a continuation pattern. It's a two candle pattern. As you can see here, that's a bull separating line. The characteristic of a bull separating line is that both the candles have almost the same opening price. Okay. There is another pattern called as the counter attack pattern. In counter attack, this is a reversal pattern, not a continuation. In counter attack, the two candles have the same closing prices, but in this case, the two candles have almost the same opening price. Okay, so let's look at the characteristics of this pattern. First, it's a continuation pattern, so it should come after a uptrend. Sometimes it also can signal a bottom. It can come at a bottom here and can signal that bottom as well, but generally it is used as a continuation pattern. So number one, it comes after a uptrend. Number two, it should both the candles should have almost the same opening price. The first candle should be red, the second candle should be green. Preferably both candles should be taller so that you can immediately see a shift in psychology, because by the time this candle closes, the bears are very happy and suddenly they see that the price is opening near the open of the previous day, and it ends up closing much higher than the close here. So that puts fear in the mind of the bears. So that's very bullish, right? So that's the bull separating line. It's a continuation pattern, very easy to spot, but it's a rare pattern. Okay, generally comes during an uptrend. I would not suggest initiating a trade on this pattern because of the problem with reward to risk ratio. However, if you are long on a stock, let's say you bought somewhere in this area or this area or maybe this area, whatever, for some reason, if you are long on the stock or you have bought the stock and you see this pattern, okay, that is even more reason to stay in the stock, not sell the stock. Okay, that is how I would apply the bull separating line. So as you can see here, price continues moving forward until you have some small real bodies and a shooting star like candle that expresses bearishness in the market. But given the market conditions here, that's a continuation pattern, that's a bull separating line. Another thing to remember is that every candle pattern has got an ideal version and a variation. Okay, the ideal version is when both the candles have the same opening price. The variation is when both the candles have the same or almost the same opening price. Okay, so this is a variation of the bull separating line, and pay attention to when you see two such candles like this. If you are long on the stock, well, remain invested, don't sell the stock. Okay, and I explain this pattern in detail in this course. Go to this link, you will find the Japanese candlesticks trading mastery program. I discuss this pattern in detail there.